is with us. I think it best to be late. I can see the game is over. They're gone now. James. Get Bella out of here. Go.
Okay, I've got it, I'm around. What, nobody's coming after me?
My reaction to feel simple. I just made this most exciting game ever. He's never gonna stop.
What should we do?
We have to kill him. Rip him apart and burn to pieces.
Where are we going?
Wait for Forrest. We gotta ferry to Vancouver.
I have to go home. No. You should take me home.
You can't go home. He's gonna trace your scent there. It's the first place to go.
My dad is there.
Doesn't matter. Just let me get you out there first, alright?
My dad, you have to go back. We'll figure out a way to live far away somehow. I don't know. We have to do something. I just gotta get out of here. I'm leaving now. I can't hurry.
Did he hurt you?
No.
Break up with you or something?
No, I broke with him.
Why you like him?
Yeah, that's why I have to leave. I don't want this. I have to go home.
Drive home right now. You can sleep on it. Still feel like going in the morning? I'll take you to the airport.
No, I want to drive. It'll give me more time to think. And if I get really tired, I'll pull in the motel, I promise.
Look, Bella, I know I'm not that much fun to be around, but I can change that. We can do more stuff together.
Like what? Like watch baseball on the flat screen? Eat at the diner every night? Steak and cobbler? Dad, that's you. That's not me.
Bella, come on. I just got your back.
Yeah, and you know, if I don't get out now, then I'm just gonna be stuck here like Mom.
Time's been ticking, hearts are running. Think that Cupid's up to something. You ask me how I feel, I say nothing. But lately colors seem so bright, and the stars light up the night. My feet, they feel so light. I'm ignoring all this.
You won't. You should have seen his face. I told
Time's
him
been
to
ticking,
be-
hearts are running. Think that Cupid's up to something. You ask me how I feel, I say nothing.